Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss 14th to 20 November part 2nd video. I am covering daily 5 plus videos because I know your exams are there. So these are just quick revision videos. If you want detail, you must watch first detailed videos of any other from any other channel and read the detailed PDF, then only come to this video. Otherwise you don't understand, because I did not read the whole news or in a sentence format. These are just a shortcut format, and I just want to revise you as many as I can, as every month I have 800 to 900 questions every month I have written here. So I need to cover it as fast as I can, otherwise it will take so much of time. So now let's get started with 14 November to 20 November part 2nd. 18 India re-elected as the executive board of the UNESCO for 4 years with 164 votes. India re-elected as the executive board of the UNESCO. An international ombudsman mechanism to non-deposit taking NBFCs with asset size of rupees 5,000 crore. An internal ombudsman mechanism is going to conduct for NBFCs, which is non-deposit taking, with an asset size of rupees 5,000 crore. Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank got Assocham Award for Best Digital Award Challenge. Karnataka Vikas Bank Assocham Award Digital Award Challenge. SIDBI launched the second window Swavlamban Challenge Fund. SIDBI launched second window of Swavlamban Challenge Fund. Times of India 1789b New Esplanade discovered by Physical Research Labour in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Times of India 1789b New Esplanade discovered by Physical Research Labour in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Easy My Trip, Spare Hospitality. Karnataka Mahindra Bank, India's first co-branded movie debit card plus PVR Limited. Kotak Mahindra Bank PVR Limited. Co-branded movie debit card. International Solar Alliance launched Solar Compass COP16 Glasgow. International Solar Alliance Solar Compass Elsevier. Meghalaya CM 13 crore tourism project. Meghalaya CM 13 crore tourism project. Nagukum River Island, West Khasi Hills. Nagukum River Island, West Khasi Hills. Meghalaya CM 13 crore for tourism project. Lal Samman, a novel written by Smriti Irani. 10th November, Neuroendocrine Tumor Cancer Day. 10th November, NET Cancer Day. MC Mary Kom, Brand Ambassador of Trifid Adivasi Mahotsav. MC Mary Kom, Brand Ambassador of Trifid Adi Mahotsav. K. Rajaram launched public procurement policy. K. Rajaram launched public procurement policy for telecom production. MIND portal. 19th November, Women's Entrepreneurship Day. ED C.K. Mishra tenure extended 1 year. ED S.K. Mishra tenure extended for 1 year. Geographical indication: Tirur Betel Leaf, Kerala. Russia Zircon Hypersonic Frigate. One Day Nati Conference. 25th PESA CA Act PSA Act, Panchayat Extension to Scheme Extension to Schedule Areas. Panchayat Extension to Schedule Areas. PESA Act. One Day Niti Conference. This is the 25th. आज का आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव कमिटेटर अंडर एक्ट भूईरा एम दुर्रास्वामी चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ मद्रास हाईकोर्ट एम दुर्रास्वामी. यूनेस्को 193 आंड्रे अजोले पेरिस फ्रांस. यूनेस्को 193 member Andrew Azoulay, Paris, France headquarter and founded year 1945. Department of Post sign an MOU with Nagaland Election Commission to deliver the elector photo identity card. Department of Post and Nagaland Election Commission. National Epilepsy Day 17th November. Bhadla, Rajasthan, world largest solar park, 2245 megawatt. NPCI Bank of India credit card RuPay platform, BOB Financial Service Limited. NPCI BOB credit cards RuPay platform, BOB Financial Solutions to offer personal accidental death insurance 15 lakh. Spain sign an MOU with Trade Promotion Council of India, Food and Food Production. Spain sign an MOU with Trade Promotion Council of India. Bangladesh, India host ICC Men's World Cup 2031. Bangladesh and India host ICC Men's World Cup 2031. A cloud of ash from the 1992 eruption of Norupt volcano on the Alaska Peninsula, capital of Alaska, Juneau. A cloud of ash from the 1992 eruption of Norupt volcano on the Alaska Peninsula, capital of Alaska, Juneau. Barbados first country digital embassy on Metaverse. 16th November, Audit Divas of Control Audit General, CAG. 16th November, Adivasi Divas, Audit Divas for CAG. Social Justice and Empowerment, National Commission for Backward Classes. Dware Ration, West Bengal. UGRO capital sign a co-lending agreement with SBI to MSME. Operation Hercules, Indian Air Force plus Army to strengthen logistic support in northern sector. India 82 major business bribery risk. India rank 82. Denmark top. CCI Competition Commission of India approve acquisition of 71.25% of Ask Investment Managers Limited by BPC Top Cooperative 7th Private Limited. BCP Top acquired Ask Investment Managers Limited 71.25%. BCP Ask. Pokopulli village in Telangana state, best tourism village by United Nations. Pochampuli village in Telangana state, best tourism village by United Nations. AIIB USD 150 million to implement the Sustainable Urban Service Program. AIIB USD 150 million to implement Sustainable Urban Service Program. Chennai Metropolitan Area. NTPC Limited sign an MOU with IOCL for the generation and storage of energy. NTPC Limited sign an MOU with IOCL for the generation and storage of energy. HDFC Bank launched a microcredit facility to street vendors. HDFC Banks launched a microcredit facility to street vendor. Under PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi Yojana, affordable loan up to 10,000 with subsidy 7%. Affordable loan up to 10,000 with subsidy 7%. SIDBI's second window of Swavalamban Challenge Fund to provide non-profit organization educational institute to address development gaps. SIDBI's second window of Swavalamban Challenge Fund. India Air Force contingent participation in Dubai Air Show and Akasa Airline Company orders 72 pitching 737 maximum in the air show. Indian Air Force contingent participants in Dubai. Indian Air Force. This is a participation in Dubai Air Show Akasa Airline Company. Shambi Sharp appointed as the UN President Corridor in India by UNSC. Shambi Sharp appointed as the UN President Coordinator UNSC. NPCSD with 100 or more branches to appoint internal ambassador scheme. NPCSD 100 or more branches to appoint internal ombudsman within 6 months. Bharat Electronics Limited signed an export contract of $21 million with Airbus Defence and Space CMD. Bharat Dynamics Export sign an export contract $21 million Airbus Defence and Space CMD for Space CMD. V. Muralidharan Learning Center set up under E-Vidya Bharati, E-Arogya Bharati, VBAB, Vidya Bharati and Arogya Bharati at Uganda. V. Muralidharan Learning Center set up E-Vidya Bharati, E-Arogya Bharati at Uganda. Srinagar Airport Major Airport Airport Economic Regulatory Authority Act 2008. Sanjeev Banerjee, Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court. Invesco CoinShare Global Blockchain External Traded Fund SEBI. Invesco CoinShare SEBI. Ministry of Earth Science 41st Indian Pacific Expedition of Antarctica. Ministry of Earth Science 41st. India re-elected as a UNESCO 164 2021-25 with a group 4 Asian and Pacific states, that is Japan, Philippines, Vietnam, China. Philippines, Vietnam and China. NPCI and Network International. NPCI and Network International sign an MOU with UAE. NPCI UAE Network International. Sourav Ganguly, Chairman of International Cricket Council. CICD 3 years. Ladakh Rajya Sainik Board Welfare and Resettlement ex-serviceman. Ladakh Rajya Sainik Board Welfare and Resettlement ex-serviceman. Vijay Kumar, Brand Ambassador Myanmar. Brand Ambassador of Myanmar. Karnataka Bank launch CASA campaign KBL Current Account. Premium scheme to small and medium enterprises. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited sign a contract with Ministry of Defence to elevator to fixed base full mission simulator for Jaguar aircraft. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited sign a contract with Ministry of Defence. Modi launched 341 km long Purvanchal Express at UP. 341 long Purvanchal Expressway at UP. UNESCO celebrated its 75th anniversary on 12th November. 12th November UNESCO anniversary 75th. Rupees 250 crore contribution of RBI in Payment Infrastructure Development Fund PIDF of RBI. Rupees 250 crore. West Bengal launch WhatsApp chatbot ration card. West Bengal launch WhatsApp chatbot ration card. Communal Harmony Campaign Week 19 to 25th November. Communal Harmony Campaign Week 19 to 25th November. Maharashtra has the highest UNESCO World Heritage Site. Maharashtra has the highest UNESCO World Heritage Site. Union Cabinet nod 4G mobile services. Union Cabinet nod 4G mobile services over 7,000 villages of 44 aspirational districts. Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Odisha for rupees 6466 crore. 6466 crore 4G network. United Arab Emirates Abu Dhabi International Petroleum Exhibition and Conference. Hardeep Singh Puri attended. United Arab Emirates International Petroleum Exhibition and Conference. Muh Band Rakho HDFC Bank Fraud Prevention. Muh Band Rakho HDFC Bank. IndusInd Bank launch Merchant Solution App Digital Banking. IndusInd Bank launch Merchant Solution App. Mahindra Financial Services Limited Quick Lease a vehicle leasing and subscription business. MD Ramesh Iyer. Mahindra Financial Services Limited Quick Lease vehicle leasing and subscription business. MD Ramesh Iyer. Odisha sign an MOU with Save Life Foundation NGO to improve road safety. Odisha Save Life Foundation NGO to improve road safety. Trace Bribery Index 82. Trace Bribery Index 82. Paytm Money AI Voice Trading Stock via Single Voice Command. Paytm Money Artificial Intelligence Voice Trading. Paytm Money Voice Trading. MP Udyam Kranti Yojana Self-Employment. MP Udyam Kranti Yojana Self-Employment. India's first laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory project. Hingoli, Maharashtra. India's first laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory project. India's first laser Hingoli, Maharashtra. MP launch Ration Aapke Dwar Gram scheme sickle cell mission. MP launch Ration Aapke Dwar plus sickle cell mission. 19th November International Men's Day. 19th November International Men's Day. As we have seen, 19th November also Women Entrepreneurship Day. South Africa AB de Villiers retirement. Border Roads Organization Guinness World Record for construction world's highest motorable road in Ladakh. Guinness record. World's largest recipient of remittance. India. Report of World Bank. Remittance prices worldwide database. This is a report released by World Bank. Google India SIDBI to provide financial assistance 1 crore to MSME. Google India MSME. Shambi Sharp UN President Coordinator in India. Water Heroes Share Your Stories. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Water Heroes Share Your Stories. World Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day 17th November. World Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day 17th November. Healthy lungs never more important. RBI released report Working Group on Digital Lending 100 redundant circulars as per RRA 2.0. RBI released report Working Group on Digital Lending RBI releases report working group on digital lending, 100 redundant circulars as per RRA 2.0. UNICEF India partner with Punjab State Education Department to launch Punjab Career Portal for student. UNICEF India partner with Punjab State Education Department to launch Punjab Career Portal for student. Who will appoint the Judge of High Court, President of India? Who will appoint the Judge of High Court, President of India? Prasthan exercise by Indian Navy to ensure offshore security at Western ODA of the coast Mumbai. Prasthan exercise Indian Navy. Prasthan exercise Indian Navy. 341 पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेस 341 किलोमीटर पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे पीएम मोदी सुल्तानपुर यूपी पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे सुल्तानपुर यूपी. राधाकृष्ण माथुर लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर ऑफ Ladakh. Rajnath Singh inaugurated a renovated war memorial of Rezang La in Ladakh. This is a renovated war memorial inaugurated by Rajnath Singh. Rezang La in Ladakh. Rupees 614 crore total corpus of payments PIDF of RBI. National Naturopathy Day 18th November. National Naturopathy Day 18th November. पोषण आहार एंड रोग मुक्ति भारत पोषण आहार एंड रोग मुक्त भारत. इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन डे 19th नवंबर. इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन डे 19th नवंबर. तंजावर तमिलनाडु इंडियाज फर्स्ट डिजिटल फूड म्यूजियम. तंजावर तमिलनाडु इंडियाज फर्स्ट डिजिटल फूड म्यूजियम इंडियाज फर्स्ट डिजिटल फूड म्यूजियम तंजावर तमिलनाडु. थीम ऑफ नेशनल न्यूबॉर्न वीक 15 to 21st November. Safety, quality and nurturing case. Birthright of every newborn. Theme of National Newborn Week. 15 to 21st November. Safety, quality, nurturing case. Birthright of every newborn. One card MS Swipe low cost EMI to retail customer. One card MS Swipe low cost EMI to retail customer. International Student Day 17th November. 21st Annual Council of Ministers Indian Ocean Rim Association IORA. 21st Annual Council of Ministers IORA founded in 1997. Member countries are 23. Headquarter Ibn Marut. SBI agreement Jamshedpur Football Club. SBI agreement Jamshedpur Football Club plus Tata Steel. SBI agreement Jamshedpur Football Club Tata Steel. World Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day 3rd Wednesday of November. World Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day 3rd Wednesday of November. Gurugram, Haryana, first of kind linear NCDC Fisheries Business Incubation Center launched by Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. Gurugram, Haryana, first of its kind LINAC NCDC Fisheries Business Incubation Center. Gurugram, Haryana, first of its kind. Theme of World Toilet Day 19th November. Valuing toilet UN water. Ministry of Food Processing Industry sign an MOU with Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying to achieve sustainable development of the rural poor. Ministry of Food Processing Industry sign an MOU with Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying. 16th November National Praise Day. Bangladesh hosted 21st India IORA. Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy launched National AHDC. AHDC means Animal Husbandry Dairying. KCC Kisan Credit Card Campaign launched by Ministry of Animal Husbandry and Dairy to expand the benefit of KCC to all the eligible animal husbandry dairy and farm farmers. National Mineral Development Corporation NMDC, National Mineral Development Corporation NMDC 64th Formation Day, 64th Formation Day, headquarter of NMDC, Hyderabad, Telangana. Thank you for watching the video. We will going to see you in next video.